Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco F7 Ultra. For that we will need the settings for. So just tap on the settings app and you will need now the settings, the first point about phone, and you will need the OS version number for Poco. And we have to tap this OS version number now for 7 times. Below you will see a countdown then finally, and then your ID developer for the phone. By the way, it doesn't matter if you tap more than 7 times, no, but it has to be at least 7 times. Okay, but where are the developer options right now? For that, just go back one step here so that you are back at the general settings. Now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. And almost at the end of this list here, you will find the developer options. And now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable this USB-Debugging or the stay awake mode and so on, and many other stuff here. If you're ready with it, you can also disable the developer options here on top like that, and then they will disappear. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the OS version number as I've shown you before. By the way, if it requires a restart, no, after you have disabled them, it doesn't matter. Just make the restart, nothing is deleted or something like this. So everything is fine. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.